Okay, now we are going to discuss about 180 mode of operation. Generally there are two types of operations, that is 180 mode and 120 mode. 120 mode is suppose here it is a thyristor T1. Suppose we are having T1. 180 degrees means the T1 thyristor is going to conduct up to 0 to pi. 180 mode means that the thyristor is going to conduct up to not to pi but only 120. Up to 120 the thyristor is going to conduct. Okay, now we are going to see about 180 mode of operation. See, here is a circuit diagram. There are thyristors. Here is a resistive load, so there is no need of freewheeling diodes. So here is a sequence T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. We are giving the supply. It's a DC supply because of the inverter. We are giving the DC supply. It is a load. See here, it is A phase, it is B phase, and it is a C phase. They are C phases. We are taking the load for each phases. We are connecting the load. Okay, now see, we know that in a three phase each thyristor is going to conduct after 120. See, suppose the thyristor T1 is going to conduct 0, next it is going to conduct after 120, again on 240. We know that. See, so now we are considering for the A phase. See, A phase consists of T1 and T4. See, we are doing, see, first 0 to 180 T1, after that 180 to 360 T4, after that first T1, after that T4, after 360 to 540 another T1, likewise it will conduct. After, for on coming to B phase, it's T3 and T6. First after 120 they are conducting, so 120, after 120 T3 is going to conduct. After that T6, before 120 also T6 will conduct. Okay, it is about B phase. Now C phase, see the C phase, T5 and T2 are conducting. Okay, now first T5, after 240 it will conduct T5, after T2, before that T2, up to the after, before that also T5. Okay, see, like this these are going to conduct. See, now consider up to 60 which are conducting. T1 is conducting, T6 is conducting, and T5 is conducting. These three are conducting. See, T5 is conducting. Where is T5? Here is T5. T5 is conducting, and T6 is conducting, T1 is conducting, T6 is conducting, and T1 is conducting. Okay, and see, this is off, this is also off. See, now current will passes through. See, like this current will passes. Here it is divided and it is off. Current will goes like this. Okay, current will goes like this. It is off. So like this current will go up to here and meet at neutral and goes like this, and it will not go up, it will go like this. Okay, like this current flow will occur. Now which are on? T1 is on. Now T1 is on, T5 is on, and T6 is on, right? Here we observed that current is dividing. Here we observe that current is dividing. Let's draw. See here, for every 60 degrees 3 thyristors are conducting. T1, T6, T5 are conduct. See here, here the current is dividing. Let's draw. We know that current is dividing and passes to R. Current divides here and combines at R. It combines at neutral and goes from R to again supply. Okay. See, we are to draw the waveforms of VAN, VBN and VCN. Okay, now let's calculate VAN. See, upon voltage division rule, these two are parallel. These two are parallel, and if we divide VAN, it will come as Vs by 3. It will come as Vs by 3. VBN come as minus 2 Vs by 3. Okay, VCN come as Vs by 3. VAB will come as VAN minus VBN. If we add these two, it will come as Vs. Okay, see, now let's plot. See, VAN means Vs by 3. VAN means Vs by 3. Vs by 3. VAN Vs by 3. VBN we got minus 2 Vs by 3. VBN minus 2 Vs by 3. VCN we got as Vs by 3. VCN we got Vs by 3. Okay, this will come like this. After that, after 160 to 120, after 160 to 120, T1 is conducting, T6 is conducting, again T2 is conducting. Same concept we will do like this. T1 is conducting, T6 is conducting and T2 is conducting. Now let's see, current flows from like this. These two are off. Current flows like this. This is also off. Current flows like this only. Current flows like this only and goes upon the load and divide here and goes from the. Now here the main point is the current doesn't divide. It is dividing at neutral. Now let's draw. It is the current here, it is not dividing and it is dividing at neutral. Okay, VC. See, these are most important. VC like this. We should draw again. We should divide the voltages. Again the voltages will divide like this and we should draw upon the plot like this. Also same 120 to 180 also. 120 to 180 also same concept, same diagram. We should calculate like this and we should draw upon the graphs. That's it. Thank you.